Sponsorship with a small channel. Of course, it's possible. Most people think you need 1 million subscribers to get brand deals. But let me tell you a secret, you don't. I landed my first sponsorship when I had under 500 subs in 2024. And today, I'll show you exactly how small creators like you or like us can get paid real money from brands. Stick around because I'm going to show you the types of sponsors that actually pay, how to pitch them, and the little tricks I used to get noticed even when my channel was tiny. Let's go. Chapter 1 is the biggest myth. There is a myth out there that you need 100,000 subs to get sponsorships. Nope, you don't. What brands care about is not just your subscriber count, it's your audience engagement, content quality, niche fit, and most importantly, your ability to influence decisions. If you have a loyal audience, even if it's just 500 or 1,000 subscribers, you have value. Let me explain. Chapter 2, what brands are actually looking for. Brands care about one thing, ROI. That's return on investment. They want to know, if I pay this creator, will my product sell? Will I get exposure? They are looking for a micro influencer with tight-knit community. Creator in targeted niche like tech, fitness, beauty, finance, etc. Creators with trust. Even 50 likes and 20 comments can mean more than 5k views with no engagement. For example, a fitness channel with 2,000 subscribers landing in protein powder deals. That's how it works. And trust me, some brands prefer smaller channels because it's more affordable and feels authentic. Types of sponsorship you can get. Let's talk money. Here are the most common types of sponsorship you can get as a small creator. 1. Product sponsorship. They send you free stuff to review or feature. 2 is affiliate sponsorship. You get a link and earn commission for every sale. 3. Paid sponsorship. They pay you upfront to talk about their brands or products. And the last one is hybrid deals. They give you products plus a flat fee and commissions. The goal is to use product deal to build relationship and then transition into paid deals. So here is how I actually landed my first brand deal. I didn't wait, I went for it. I identified small brands in my niche that matched my content, and then I did 2 things. Firstly, I created a video featuring them for free. Second, I sent them a pitch email with the link and analytics. I said something like, "Hello, I made this video about your product because I love what you're doing. And here is the link. My audience really responded to it. I would love to partner with you on future videos." Within 2 days, I got a reply, and guess what? They offered to send me more products and pay $75 for a shout out in the next video. Now, how to pitch brand even with a small channel. This part is gold. Screenshot this. How to write the perfect pitch email. Firstly, the subject line, partnership opportunity with your name, your channel name, your brand name, your everything. Secondly, the body. First step is quick intro of who you are. Secondly, why you love their brands. Thirdly, who your audience is. And then proof of engagement like views, comments, and watch time. What kind of partnership you are proposing. And lastly, link your video plus media kit if you have any. Even if you don't have a media kit, just include links to your top 2-3 video, your average stats, and your audience demographic. And here is a bonus. Reach out to smaller companies, startups, or online stores. They are way more likely to work with smaller creators. Lastly, mistakes to avoid. Before I wrap up, here are 3 mistakes to avoid if you want sponsorship. 1. Don't wait for brand to come to you. Start reaching out. Secondly, don't fake your start. Be honest and transparent. 3. Don't say yes to every deal. Stay on brand so your audience trusts you. Sponsorship aren't just for big creators. If you have a small but loyal audience, you are already valuable. You just need the right approach, the right pitch and confidence. If you want a full video where I give my pitch templates or I break down how to make a media kit with zero design skill, drop a comment and say sponsorship guide. Like this video if it's helped and subscribe for more real raw creator tips that actually work. You already know we are growing together.